You searched how to buy shares of Grupo Financiero Galicia SA. Grupo Financiero Galicia is a major Argentine banking group, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GGAL. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy GGAL, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker GGAL to locate Grupo Financiero Galicia SA. Choose the listing that indicates the NASDAQ exchange to ensure it's the correct stock. Open the stock page to review the company overview, recent news, and the price chart. Confirm the issuer name, NASDAQ listing, and GGAL ticker all match before continuing. Tap Buy. Enter the amount or number of shares you want to invest and review the order details such as price and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete the trade. After execution, your GGAL position will appear in the Portfolio tab where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.